As your business grows, managing more clients shouldn't mean more manual work. Streamlining your workflow ensures your client experience is as professional as the services you provide. In this on-demand webinar, the founder of Charlotte Duckworth Studio shares her client conversion formula, a real-world look at turning inquiries into loyal clients. Then, Squarespace product managers demonstrate the integrated toolkit designed to help you win more business, from polished service listings to flexible payment options. We wrap up with a Q&A segment where our experts answer real questions from business owners like you. Plus, you'll get access to a bonus 10-minute webinar on 2 powerful ways to get paid faster and transact with confidence. If your business works directly with clients, this 50-minute session offers practical strategies to protect your time and boost client confidence. We can't wait to see you take your client experience to the next level.